everyone, Atma Namaste, welcome to Soham Healer's World. Well, we are back with the love reading for all the zodiac signs. This love reading is going to be from 12th of April till 18th of April 2021. And if you find this love reading resonating with you, please do like this video, share this video with other people as well, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt or any question related to your reading, you can write in the comment box. You can also mail me. Everything is given in the description box. So let's get started. Alright, so the first zodiac is Aries. And the cards that has come out for you, Aries, is this card. That is the Knight of Wands. So this particular card shows me that you will be taking action towards something. For example, if you were not talking to your lover or your partner, or something was going on which was not making you happy, so you will be working towards that happiness. You will be taking action. Maybe initially you were just thinking that I should do this or that to make my partner happy, but in this particular week I see you taking action. It could be like even going for a proposal sometimes. For some of you, like for example, maybe if you were planning to propose someone and you were just hesitating whether to go for it or not, but this card shows that you will be going for it. You will be maybe just buy some gift for your partner, or I mean say whosoever it is whom you are going to propose, and you might be moving forward to propose. So I see a positive, this is a positive card for your love life. I see you people moving in a positive direction, and I see you people having a good time, you taking action, you planning out something, maybe a date or so, and making your partner happy. So that is what I see here. And even if like any of you are not planning to do so, so cards is this particular card is in your favor, and you should do it. You should go for it. Yeah. So all those who resonate with it or would want to do something positive in their love life, please do comment me in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. Thank you so much. Good luck. Next reading is for Taurus. So hi there, Taurians. The card which has come out for the weekly love reading for you people is Four of Swords. This is the card, Four of Swords. Yeah, and this card basically shows and it tells me that you must be thinking a lot in this week related to your love life, and maybe you are a little tired physically or mentally trying something, or maybe just overthinking, and you want your partner to be with you, you want your loved ones to be with you, but you deep down feel that you are alone. Nobody is thinking about you, nobody takes care of you, and you're just suffering on your own. But trust me, Taurus, this card means that that is not the thing. People are just a call away, they are just a message away. You can just drop a message or call your loved ones. They are there for you, they are going to help you, and they're just busy in their own lives, but trust me, they've not forgotten about you. And the moment you will call them, you will definitely feel positive vibes from them, you will get positive response from them. So just try this out. Even whenever you feel alone, just rather than overthinking that you are alone and nobody is there for you, just go and call those people whomsoever you want in their life, because they do care for you. Trust me, this card shows that it's just you who's thinking a lot, and in reality the situation is not like that. And one more thing, for some of you people have to take care of your health also. So if you think that something is something is going wrong, or maybe your body is not supporting you physically also, something, even a little bit of a symptom you feel, just go and show yourself to the doctor rather than waiting or thinking that maybe other people are going to come and take care of you. So it's better that you take care of your own self right now. And if you need help, definitely you can call your friends and family members or your loved one, especially your partner, because they are there to help you. Even though maybe they might seem a little busy in their lives, but they're just a phone call away. So that's about it, Taurians. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. If you're the daily and personalized reading also, do so. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. Alright, so the next zodiac is Geminis. Geminis, the card which has come out for your weekly love reading is this card, that is the Ten of Pentacles cards. So I see here you spending a very, very good love, family time here, and it's not just you, your partner, but their families are also involved. You might get gifts here. You might get some kind of very expensive gift from your loved ones, from your partner, and you will be sharing and cherishing these memories or this good time with your family members. If you are married and have children, then definitely you'll be enjoying this time with your children. And some of you might be getting some inheritance from their parent side, or maybe you will be giving it for the future generation. So that kind of a thing I see here, with very so much of content and happiness, everything, whatever you wished for is coming true. You're going to have a very, very good family time. If you are married and you have children, then you will be basically behaving like a good responsible parents, both you and your partner, and you will be giving them lot of love. And I see here giving some materialistic thing also to to your children, or to other people. So yeah, I see this kind of a vibe, and I just see happiness, contentment with whatever you have, and you are eager to share it with other people. You might do some charity. You will be basically, you and your partner, you both will enjoy this kind of activities during this week. So yeah, that's about it. If you resonate with it, or if you have any doubt, please do write to us in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So the next zodiac sign is Cancer. Cancer, the card which has come out for you people for this particular week is the Hermit. The Hermit card says that you will be basically thinking a lot about your love life, maybe the past of your love life, the present of your love life, or how the future is going to be. You might be thinking that how you need to change yourself to make your love life better, so that you and your partner can have a compatible life. What things you can change, or what the other person should change. You will be all in your shell, taking a time off and thinking about working on your relationships, that how can you work for a better relationship. You definitely don't want to break the relationship, right? But you want it to work out. So to make this relationship work, you need to have some changes. Like, you have to change, your partner has to change. So what are those changes? How can you have a better life? So this could be a time off, maybe for a week or so, but whatever you think, that is definitely going to work. Whatever you're planning, whatever you're thinking, that is going to make you a wise person. Moreover, whatever you will come out with, the solution to the problem, so definitely your partner is going to listen to that problem, and you both will work towards solving this particular problem, whatever problem you have, and it is going to give you people a very, very bright future. So that's about it, Cancerians. If you resonate with it, or if you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box, and do like this video, share this video with other people, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to go for the daily or the personalized readings, please, 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 you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So good luck, and see. So the next zodiac is Leo. So hi there, Leos. I'm going to start with your reading. The card for you is this particular card, that is the King of Pentacles. So this is your love card for the coming week, and this particular card shows me that you are going to enjoy your love life this week. You and your partner, if you people are already married or in a committed relationship, you will be taking very mature decisions. Maybe you plan to get married, or you might think of investing your money in a property, or in something good which is going to give you a very, very good result sooner or later. And your partner might give you some expensive gift, or you might end up giving your partner an expensive gift. And yeah, you both will be taking some mature decision. Like for example, if you people are in a committed relationship and you want to get married, so both of you might decide to get married, and this decision is going to be a favorable decision for you. Those of you who are still single and want to get married, or maybe planning to have a relationship, they will also take a very mature and a sensible decision in their life. If you decide to, if you like someone and you want to go and propose them, or you want them to be in your life forever, so definitely you might go and propose them and they will say yes. And so it's a good news for you, Leos. And basically this relationship, if a new relationship starts, it is going to be a very sensible relationship. It is not going to be a kiddish relationship or a casual relationship. It is going to be a long-term relationship. That's about it, Leos. Still, if you have any doubt, then please do write in the comment box. And if you resonate with this video, please do like this video, share this video with other people, subscribe to my channel for the daily and the personalized readings. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So please do let me know if you want to go for the daily or the personalized readings. And that's about it. So good luck, Leos. Alright, so the next zodiac sign is Virgo. Virgos, hi there, Virgos. So the card for you for the week is this one, that is the Five of Pentacles. So this particular card shows me that you and your partner are going through some tough times right now, and one of you basically, and I think maybe it is your partner, that they are not well. It could be some physical illness, it could be some accident, it could be some problem, physical issues I see here. And basically you people are a little worried about your financial status also. And you might have to spend on health issues of your partner. So it could be you, it could be them only, like it could be a family, a part of family income going into the treatment of your partner. And basically you really love your partner, you care for your partner, and this time even in this difficult time you will show your care towards your partner. Basically I know it is tough time, but the good news is that it is going to make the bond stronger. As you know, they will come to know that how much importance they have in your life, and moreover you will also come to know that how much importance you have in their lives, and how much importance basically you both have in each other's lives. So this is a very very important thing to know when you are in a relationship. This definitely makes you more secure in a relationship, and this definitely makes you feel that someone is there to take care of you. You people will walk in the same direction, you will think in the same direction, and you will be working as a team together, even though the circumstances are a little difficult. So that's about it, Virgo. If you have any questions, any doubt, please write in the comment box. If you resonate with this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And yeah, if you want to go for your personalized reading, you can mail me. And for the daily readings, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So good luck. Sign is Libra. So hi there, Librans. The card which has come out for you is this card, that is Six of Wands. So this card shows me that if you are single and planning to get married, that then yes, definitely you will find someone who is of a good status, who has power, who has prestige, who has some status in the world, or in their society. And basically I see very very good chances of basically getting engaged to someone, or even getting married to someone in the coming week. I know marriage, if you are single and still looking for a good opportunity or a good person in your life, then definitely marriage is not possible. Like you cannot get married within a week, but yes, you will find someone. And those of you who are already married, you people will spend good time with each other, people who are committed to each other. Your better half, or you, whosoever is the person you are committed to, that person will have good respect for you. They will understand you better. You will have mutual understanding. They will respect the decisions that you have made for them. And basically, even the family members, if the family members are involved, then definitely the other family members or their friends or relatives or anybody, they are also going to respect you for whatever you have done, for whatever decisions you have taken, for wherever you have reached in your life till now. So it is going to be a very, very respectful, basically weak. People are going to respect you for who you are. You will feel good, you will feel powerful, and you are going to use this power in a very, very positive direction. You will be very humble to people, you will be very positive towards people, and your energy is going to be such so positive that people will like you for who you are. Yeah, so great, Librans. If you still have any doubt, please you can write us in the comment box. And if you resonate with this reading, please do like this video, share this video with other people, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you want to go for the personalized reading, you can also drop me a mail. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for the daily readings. That's about it, Librans. Good luck. Alright, the next zodiac sign is Scorpio. So, hi there, Scorpions. The card which has come out for you for the coming week is Eight of Wands. Yeah, so this is the card. So, this particular card shows me that something is going to happen quickly in your love life. Things are happening in a fast forward mode, and it is definitely something positive that is happening in your love life. You might get a good news through emails, or someone might just call you for a good news. If you are single and looking for a potential partner, then definitely a good person is going to come in your life pretty soon. And this person can be from your past as well, someone from your childhood, or someone could be from your previous job or school or college, anybody. So that person can come and approach you, or can maybe just come and meet you, and you people fall in love with each other. If there is a person whom you were in a relationship earlier and still thinking about it, that person can also come in your life. And this is going to happen quickly, like within maybe if you're watching this video today, this can happen today as well. And some good news is coming your way. If you are already married, or if you're already committed, and if you're waiting for some kind of a good news in a relationship, maybe the promotion of your partner, or if you're already married, if you're waiting for news related to conception or having a baby, or if you're committed and you want to get married, and maybe you're waiting for the other person to propose you for marriage. So whatever you had thought of, that good news is going to come true. So it's a win-win situation for singles as well as for people who are committed. And still, if you have any doubt, you can write us in the comment box. For the personalized reading, you can drop me a mail. You can also go for your daily readings. You can just read your daily readings on my Facebook and my Instagram account. The thing is for Sagittarius. Hi there, Sagittarius. So the card which has come out for you people for the coming week, the love reading, is this card. This is the Ace of Cups. So this card basically shows me that if by chance, people who are already committed or in a relationship, and if you people were going through some kind of difficult times in the relationship, that difficult time is going to end soon. If there was some conflicts or some trouble going on in the relationship, that's going to end soon. There will be peace, there will be mutual understanding. You people will meet again. You people might just hug each other and cry because of whatever difficult times you have gone through, and now you are back again. There was so much love for each other, and now you will be showering that love on each other. I see you people shedding tears of happiness with each other, I see you people giving love to each other, care to each other, respecting each other's feelings and decisions, and wanting to move ahead in this relationship. I also see some kind of good news coming up for you people. If you people are planning to have a baby, then definitely I see a good news here. And if that is the thing, please do mention in the comment box. Huh? And for the singles, if you people are planning to go in a relationship, it is a good news. You might find your soulmate. You might find someone who is like you, who understands you, and you people will have a very harmonious relationship. If you people are planning to go somewhere, if you people are planning a trip or something, then that is also possible. You people might travel somewhere. It could be short travel only. You people might go to a beach side, or you people might go to riverside, or somewhere where there is water or waterfall, or something like that. Just enjoy the nature, enjoy the moment, have a good time with each other in the coming week. And yeah, so you're going to have a great time with each other. So yeah, if that is the case, please do mention and do like this video for it, and share this video with other people. Also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so if you want to go for the personalized reading, you can just mail me. And you can also follow me for the daily readings on my Instagram account and Facebook account. Links are again given in the description box. So that's about it. Good luck. So the next reading is for Capricorn. So hey there, Capricorns. The card for you for the coming week is this one. That is the Queen of Pentacles. So I see here, especially if you are singles, I see you people falling in love with the favorite person of yours. And who can be that favorite person? Yeah, it's you yourself. So I see you falling in love with yourself. I see you working on yourself. I see you enjoying the company of yourself. If you are earning or planning to earn something or learn some new skill, so you will be applying everything on your own. For example, if you earn well enough, you might just buy a gift for yourself. You might just spend some money for going on a solo trip, and just for a relaxing weekend or something like that. So you will be happy doing all these things. That is going to boost your confidence, and you will be very content. You will be basically thrilled by whatever you do for yourself. If you are already in a committed relationship, so basically maybe you will have some time alone. I'm not saying you're going to fight with your partner or so, or maybe it can happen that maybe your partner is going out, or maybe they're busy with their work or something like that is there. So you will get a chance to have your me time. You will enjoy that time, and you will do something or learn certain skills that you really wanted to. Or maybe you used to do certain things in your childhood, and that was your hobby. Maybe you like to paint, or maybe you liked to swim, or anything. So you are going to do that particular thing in the coming week, which is going to make you happy. And seeing this, your partner will also be happy, definitely happy, that you're enjoying the time with yourself, because that is going to ultimately boost your relationship. That is going to make your relationship positive with your partner. It is going to be a more loving relationship. So yeah, that is what I see here, Capricorn. If you still have any doubt, please write to me in the comment box. And if you resonate with this video, please like this video, share it with your friends and relatives, and please do subscribe to this channel. And yeah, for the personalized reading, you can just mail me. My mail is given in the description box, email address. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for the daily readings. All the links are given in the description box. So that's about it. The next zodiac is Aquarius. So hi there, Aquarians. How are you people? The card which has come out for your weekly love reading is this card, that is Queen of Cups. Focus. Yeah. So this is the card, that is Queen of Cups. So this card is basically making me think that you are in a waiting mode right now. Like, for example, if you're single and waiting for a good partner, or waiting someone to approach you, so this waiting mode is going to continue for this particular week as well. Or if you have had some kind of conflict with your partner, and you're not talking to each other, and maybe wanting them to start with a conversation, so you will still have to wait for this particular week, because I don't see this happening in this particular week. Though I see love, I see care, I see whatever you are thinking, your partner is also thinking the same thing. They want you to initiate, you want them to initiate. But yes, I don't see this coming from both the sides in the coming week. And yeah, you will be, thinking a lot. You will be in your memories. You will be thinking about the good times you have had with your partner, or what if you people patch up again, so how the future is going to be, how will you talk to them, how will they talk to you, and what you people are going to do. So you will be in those kind of thoughts. They will be all positive and good thoughts, but yes, they are all going to be your thoughts. You will be in the thinking mode and the waiting mode, as I said. If you are thinking what the other person thinks about you, if you are single and you like someone, and you have this question that what does she or he thinks about me, then maybe they are just observing you. Maybe they are just waiting for the right moment. They have not made any decision till now, but yes, they are a little bit towards the positive side. And though they have not made any decision, but they do like you a little bit, but they're still thinking. So they are, again, I would say the coming week is going to be a waiting mode for you. There will be emotions involved, there will be thinking involved, but no decision and no any big news or any big decision will be taken. So that's about it, Aquarians. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for the daily readings. You can also mail me for the personalized reading. All the links and email address is given in the description box. And that's about it. And yes, one more thing, very, very important thing. If you resonate with this video, please like this video, share it with other people, and do consider subscribing. The next zodiac is Pisces. So, hi there, Pisces. The card which has come out for you for the coming week, love card, basically is this one, that is the Eight of Wands. Yeah. So basically, this card shows me that if you are single and if you were thinking of getting married to someone or proposing to someone, and there were people whom you had to fight, or there were some conflicts going on, maybe their family not agreeing, or maybe your family not agreeing, and you people are trying to, make them agree to this relationship, to this marriage. If you were going through any such kind of a drama in your life, trust me, you are going to come out as victorious person. So you will have victory over other people. You will have victory over all the conflicts you were going through. If you were having some kind of a conflict with your own partner, then yes, it was a difficult time that you have gone through. But definitely the relationship is going to, the love conquers everything, as we know. So basically, the same thing is going to happen in your case also. It was a difficult time that you have gone through when it comes to a relationship, but yes, you are going to come out as victorious. The victory is yours. It is a winning situation for you and your partner. Basically, it is a winning situation for your relationship. But trust me, whatever struggles you have gone through, basically you are going to come out as a winner. So that is the good news. Whatever has happened, it has already happened. Things are over now, and good news or victory is coming your way. So that's about it, Pisces. If you like my reading, please click on the like button, share this video with other people, and subscribe to my channel. And do mention in the comment box if you resonate with this reading, if that is true for you, anything. And yeah, if you want to go for the personalized reading, you can mail me, and you can also go for the daily readings. You can just follow me for that on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are given in the description box. So that's about it. Good.